What's up everyone, Cake Master here, and more shoutouts again. I don't know why I keep on doing it, but here we go. Kindle Boy, Crazy Gamer, Gaming, Alex Vlogs Videos. I don't care if I said your name wrong because I always will say your name wrong. And also, this isn't a vlog. You probably already know that since the title of the video. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but since I want to make the videos more enjoyable, I downloaded a game so I can get a free item, and that item was a trial baby. It's really small. It's like really small compared to the other sharks I had, but who cares? It's a baby that rides motorcycles, so it makes him cool. Because he has no friends. And who cares what I'm saying? Because my opinion doesn't matter. Load. And look at it go. And it's just, I don't know if it, I forgot how the babies work, if they bring my health back up or they just get, like points. Wee. Oh jeez, I almost landed on that mine. Also, I've been doing the missions. So our mission is to eat 3 jet skis. Can we do it? Probably not, but who cares? I'll try and fail anyways. Because you guys really enjoy seeing me fail. It's kind of sad when you think about it. But who cares? As long as you enjoy it, I'm not totally depressed. No, I did that way before, and it ended horribly with me dying. And there's a booty seals, or butt seals, whatever. Jeez, here's a food tunnel. Or one underwater current, but just has so much gone darn food. Whatever, I forget what I just said. No one cares about hammer horrors because I'm bigger than you, and I just leveled up to level 8, so booyah. And I'm a beast, even though I'm pretty small. No, I hate those Navy SEALs. Wait, can it? It didn't even eat it. Ugh. Also, you might have noticed I have 15 gems. New high score for not wasting gems, I know. Ooh, the Leaning Tower Pisa. Because I'm trying to save up so we can get the treasure map, so we can know where all the missions are, so we can do 50 missions so we can get a freaking jetpack. Because who doesn't want a jetpack, am I right? Unless that one guy in the corner is like, who needs jetpacks when you can fly? But can you fly? No. Well, I sort of just fly. Oh, that's not the point. No, I wanted a donut. No, give it to me. Ooh, Stingray. Yes. Oh yeah. Gold Rush. Come on. Brown punch do. The bar. Oh jeez. Okay, we need a bigger shark. No, stop killing me. Navy SEALs! Did they go to the Navy? I don't know. They call them Navy SEALs. Gee, stop killing me! Ruthless ice shark? Eat other sharks that aren't ice sharks. I don't know. Penguins. I'm sorry, I would never do this in real life, but this isn't real life, it's a game. Okay, Cold Rush. Wait. Die. 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 Jeez, no. You can die later. No. Stop being so rude. Oh, jeez, there's a big daddy. No. What? Oh. Well, actually, good thing the time ended, because I would have been a swish kebab. And there's, of course, the king of the summer guy, even though... Oh, yeah, it is summer. I was going to say it's not even summer, but now it is where I live, so... No, I can't really say that. Darn you! Daily reward, come on, day 2, blah, blah, blah. What? Oh, 2,000? Guess eating all those ice sharks really did do something. Come on. I need the jet skis. Ooh, wait, there's one. Come on. Ooh, another one. Come on. Okay, I ate him. Now let's take down this boat. Now this stingray. Jeez. Die, stingray. No. No, I got killed by a baby shark. Okay. I'm back and better than ever. Or maybe not. Just have less Navy SEALs on my butt. On my tail, whatever. Sharks. Okay, Gold Rush. Whee! Ooh, jet ski. What? Come on. Die. No. Die. You will die. I'm a tiger shark. You can't kill me. Guess you already did, but that's besides the point. No, electric shark. That can eat you, still kill me a lot. It's not fair. There's the king of the summer. Where's king of winter? What? You're kidding me. Seriously? I was so close. Why? Why? Whatever. Come on, come on. Yep. So, this. Yeah, now things are getting darn expensive, but almost done upgrading all the way, so yeah, who cares? Come on, come on. Come on. Okay, let's go. No. Freaking mine. I thought that was a seashell for... No, why do I always go this way? Why? Food tunnel, yeah, that's nice. Trying to speed run, or speed swim. However you would say it, I don't know. I don't really care. Come on, I just really want to get that achievement before the video ends. Just really do. Because I feel like it. Okay, go through the lionfish cave or tunnel, whatever. Was there any jet skis? Nope. Die hammer horror. Yeah, I'm so scared. No hammerheads, but I can eat you, so not so scary. And then Gold Rush gave us boost. Come on, no, wrong way. No. No, that was a pretty long Gold Rush. Consider it all our... Oh yeah, because of our shark, we either get more time on the Gold Rush, or we get more gold. What? When we did the Stingray challenge, how come we could barely find one, then there's just 3 out of nowhere? Not fair. Not fair. I feel like there's more certain like fish when you're certain sharks. Cause like when you're the like first 2 sharks, there's like so many stingrays. Die. You will die. I will not. Okay, you're dead. Good. Wee. Okay, no King of Summer. Good. No Electric Shark, but you're dead. Oh, Gold Rush again. Yay. Eh. Okay, there. Boom, we're all the way here now, I guess. Whatever. There's a bass guitar. Oh, electric guitar. Same thing. You're wrong. Bomb. Not going to detonate that mine. They're mines, not bombs. Why do I keep on saying that? Scuba divers. Ooh, submarine. No! Why do I always run out of boost when the submarines comes? Or mini subs, I don't really know. Wait, did I jump over this? I don't remember. Nope, stop. Do something, baby shark. Jeez, you're so useless. Just running on it, riding your motorcycle, even though that's physically impossible because you don't even have legs or whatever. I just want to find it. Find a jet ski. Is that how they're called? I don't know. No! Whatever, I'm back. I will never die unless I say so. Okay, Gold Rush. Jeez, we almost went to the top. Or did we? This is why I need the jetpack. Nope, not today. Well, it already happened today. Why do I put myself in these situations? Wait, what? How did these guys just jump out the boat? Wait a minute. Oh, that's fun. I'm that strong. No, you will die and you will be eaten by me because I am awesome. Of course, no jet skis here. Next ocean or sea. It's not really that much of an ocean because it doesn't go that deep. There's literally mines on the shores. Okay, Gold Rush. Come on. You go all the way. Yeah. Stop biting me. Come on, do something. I don't know why I wasn't talking. I was just concentrated. I'm concentrating whatever. I can't talk today because of my throat. Come on. Swim. You can do it. You're a freaking tiger shark. With an eye patch. Because you're a punk. No, stop shooting me in my butt. Come on. Okay, Okay, surface. Will there be a jet ski? Watch on the... No, jeez, now King of the Summer is going to be like next episode of Stingray Shark Evolution. Jeez, no. If I die, I will cry. What? How did... One more second, that guy would have been fish meat. Well, I can't say that because I'm a fish myself, but whatever. Robo Shark, you will be eaten because I'm on a gold rush. Or not. I don't know. Freaking bombs. That sucks. And what just happened there? I don't know. But whatever. Wait. Okay, we can upgrade. Just 3 more upgrades and then we can unlock the beast. Just gonna call him a beast. I will get you, Jetpack. I will. Wait. Let's do it. Play as the Hammerhead Shark and try to do the last mission. Because I want to get that jetpack. Come on. I'm tired of waiting. So, what mission is it? Eat 5 stingrays. See, it's always with the stingrays. Let's go this way instead of the other way. Feels weird to be a hammerhead. Because I'm so used to eating hammerheads. Yeah, I don't think that's a good thing to say. Come on. Stingrays. Swimming in the ocean. They're trying to swim away because I'm going to eat them. I'm really bad singer. Come on. Come on, stingrays, wherever you are. Wait. Yeah, it's stingrays. Just want to be sure. Stingrays, are you up here? Why would you be? Come on. Stingrays, come out. I don't want no Navy SEALs. I want stingrays. If you're not a stingray, you're dead. Yeah, I don't care about towers of pizza, gold rush. And water current, this is good so we can go faster. Come on. Done. Stingrays. Come on. You know you want to get eaten. Freaking plane. Nah. No flesh wounds. I'm not even gonna forget about it. Come on. Are you here? Anywhere? New blobfish. A lot of blobfish. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I forgot. Since I'm a hammerhead, I go from the other way. Oh, gold rush. Yay. No, screw that mine. You will die. Because I am on a gold rush. Come on. You will be eaten. Okay, good. Because I survived. No, stop using Navy booty seals. Now, Electric Shark, you will perish. Die. Why aren't you... Oh! That was a tiger shark. Ugh. This always happens when I'm a hammer. Okay, well, screw the electro shark because it can eat you. And that makes me mad at you and dislike you. Okay, another gold rush. Come on. What teddy bear? I don't want no teddy bear. Wait, where am I? Jeez, mini sub! Okay, eat something. No! Darn it. Darn it, darn it. Okay, one last life, just one. And then I give up. I already have the Frontier baby. Oh, wait, I didn't put it on. Oh. Oops. Where is it? Equip. Play. Yeah, blah blah, I hate the crabs. Maybe when I unlock the Great White Shark, I should move on to Hungry Shark World, because I'm starting to get bored of this game. I still enjoy it, but I don't seem as excited for it, like on YouTube videos. I still always enjoy this game, but I also want you guys to enjoy the videos, not just me, because then what's the point? Come on. Oh, stingrays, come on. You know you want to get eaten by me. Because what else are you going to get eaten by today? Nope, not that way. Not today, not ever. What did happen today? That's besides the point. Oh, I'm all the way over here already. Die. Blobfish. Okay, gold rush, gold rush, gold rush, gold rush. Where are those stingrays? Come on. Stingrays. I always find what I need in the background, but not in the actual ocean, because there's was 2 stingrays. Okay, mini sub. Run or swim. The subs for lunch. Wait. No, not going down there. Watch my other videos, you know I hate that place. Okay, no stingrays. Find a bunch when I'm a tiger shark, but none when I actually need it, like I said before. But I do keep on finding some marine subs, which are still good. See, there's one in the background, but not one where I actually need it. Ugh, why do you do this to me? Just need 5, that's it. I want just 5. Is that so much to ask for? Just 5 measly stingrays to eat in my mouth? Okay, gold. Who cares about pressure? Because I'm a shark. And Gold Rush so I can speed through this. No stingrays? Seriously? Oh jeez, I ate a lava shark or pyro shark, whatever the heck it's called. And I'm dead. Continue. Okay, come on. Speed swim. Just gonna call it speed swim. Not one stingray. You gotta be kidding me. Is there like a certain level where stingrays will spawn? No, I don't want to go here. Oh, that's what freaking keeps on shooting me. Continue? Please? Okay, so, where's the shield? The portal. I don't want to die. Again. Come on. Stingray. Please. That's it. End video. I'm sorry, but... Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know if I did. Bye. Probably one more video after this, but who cares?